We are now going to be looking at stage 1 in the IQA observation. So stage 1 is the meeting with the qualified IQA. So this is an opportunity for you to sit down with the qualified IQA to have a chat about the upcoming observation, okay? So as we can see in the picture here, we have the qualified IQA, Martin, briefing the candidate IQA. So the candidate IQA, as we know, is yourself. So in this picture, we have Billy, for example. The topic is first aid, okay? And in terms of this meeting, please make sure it's conducted within a private room, okay, which is a quiet environment. It's just an opportunity to perhaps catch up, to discuss the observation itself, okay. And if your qualified IQA is not present at that time, perhaps a phone call would be sufficient here, or a meeting over Zoom or Teams as well would work. But it's very important that you do have a chat with the qualified IQA about the upcoming observation. Some key points which you could consider and include at this stage, okay? So you could explain to the qualified IQA the purpose of the observation. So it could be perhaps an annual review of the assessor. Perhaps the assessor has to have an annual lesson observation as well, and that's the purpose of the observation of the assessor. You could also have a chat about the last time the assessor was observed, and you could also discuss the assessor's strengths, areas for development, okay, and any targets as well. So all of that key information can be provided to the qualified IQA. So it's giving them lots of information there as well. You could also mention about health and safety points as well to do with the observation, perhaps any room bookings as well, how long the observation is going to last for, and also perhaps when are the results going to be provided to the assessor as well. So there's a lot of information that you can give to the qualified assessor. If there's any arrangements that need to be considered as well to the environment, perhaps any resources as well. But in terms of this stage, you're looking for perhaps a 10-minute conversation. And once again, perhaps it's very important to check paperwork here that you're using perhaps the latest observation form and standards within your industry area as well. So in terms of this stage, okay, very important to discuss the overview of the observation and when the assessor will receive feedback.